Hi guys, happy Toodle Tuesday! I want to give everybody a toodle who sent me work yesterday. You guys are awesome. And I want to get right in today. So we're going to do some practice reading some phrases with our tricky words. We're going to do some dictation. So you're going to need any kind of a piece of paper and a pencil. And then we're going to read a story and I'm going to ask you some questions about it. So and you guys are going to have a couple pages of homework to send me and another story to read to me, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna jump right in and we're gonna read some phrases. This time I put them on index cards, okay? And I'm just gonna hold them really close to the screen and I underlined the tricky word, okay? What does that word say? This one's super tricky. This one has 3 tricky words in it. If you can get that, give yourself a kiss on the brain. That one's really super duper hard. That one's really hard too. So if you got all those, I want you to give your brain a giant kiss, okay? So we're gonna move on to our dictation. And there's 10 words on our dictation, okay? And the first word, I'm gonna practice a little bit with you guys about how dictation works, okay? So when we do dictation, we listen to the sounds in a word and then we try to write it. So the first word that we're gonna do dictation for is job. So what's the first sound in the word job? Job. Ah. Job. Did I say it right? I did. Okay, so that's what you should be doing. If I say a word, you should say each of the sounds and then write them. Okay, so that's number 1, job. Your second word is win. What's that first sound in win? W. N. Win. I like to win when I play a game. Pest. Pest. I heard someone say their little brother was being a pest. Plum. Oh, I just love to eat a nice juicy plum. Have you ever had a plum? They're so good. Trips. Every summer, my family goes on a few trips together. Trips. Say each of those sounds and then write what you say. Grubs. Grubs are like little bugs that crawl on the ground. Kings. Kings are from the royal family. Kings. Chin. Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin. Shrimp. Oh, I love shrimp. Raise your hand if you like shrimp. Love it. Gongs. That's not something we hear every day. What is a gong? It's a big dish. Looks like this. And you hit it with a mallet. And it kind of goes boom. That's a gong. Okay? That's a pretty terrible drawing, but that's okay. All right. So if you need to rewind and go back and listen to those words again, go ahead and do it. Otherwise, I'm going to read you a story today. It's called Tasks. Okay? And you're going to hear a few new words. You're going to hear the word task, which is a chore. You're going to hear trim, which is to cut or clip. And you are going to hear shrub. You're also going to hear some tricky words, of, all, and the. Okay? So, I'm going to find tasks. Make sure you guys have your workbook because you're going to need that. Okay. And tasks, if you want to follow along, is on page 49 or lesson 10.2. Okay? Tasks. Sam has a long list of tasks. Sam must scrub a bunch of cups. Sam must help his dad trim the shrubs. Sam must mop the steps. Sam scrubs all of the cups. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Sam helps his dad trim the shrubs. Snip, snip, snip. The sun is hot. Sam gets hot. Sam spots a fan on the rug. Sam flops on the rug and naps. Then his mom spots him. Sam's mom taps him with the mop. Sam jumps up. Sam picks up the mop. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to write it on the board, plus I'm going to show you, okay? I got some questions for you on this story. What are Sam's tasks that he has to do? Why does Sam fall asleep on the floor? What does Sam's mother do when she finds him asleep? If you need to rewind the video and listen to the story again, you can do that, or you can look back in your story and maybe find the answer that way. So, homework for today. There isn't any new words to learn. So the first thing I want you to do is play memory with all of your tricky words. So yesterday you should have added from and one to your memory game, okay? I want you to play a memory game with your tricky words and just keep practicing them over and over and over again. When you find the match, say the word this time. Make it a little bit more challenging, okay? So the second thing you're going to do is in your workbook, page 6.1, 6.2, and 6.3, you've seen these before, okay? You're going to copy the word task. You're going to write it on the lines. I don't see any capital letters in that word, so I shouldn't see any on yours. And then you're going to draw me a picture of that word. This word says task. Write the word, draw the picture, and I want to know what I want to be able to look at your picture and be like, oh, I know what that is. Don't just send me a bunch of scribbles, okay? Trim. Copy your word the way it looks in the box, no capital letters, and draw me a picture of trim. Shrub. Write the word, draw me a picture of a shrub, okay? So the second thing you're going to do is 6.1, 6.2, and 6.3. The third thing you're going to do is send me a video of you reading 6.4, Fun at the Pond. We have read this a time or two already. So if you've been practicing your tricky words and you've been practicing that story, you should be a pro at it. So you're going to read and record 6.4. And I will know that you did this by this. Okay? I'm going to know if you played your memory game with your tricky words by how you read me 6.4. So, you're going to send me 6.1, 6.2, and 6.3. Write the word, draw a picture, send it to me. Send me a video of you reading 6.4. That is your homework for Tuesday, okay? And remember, keep practicing with those memory games for your tricky words, okay? Because we're going to add a couple more later on this week, all right? Happy Toodle Tuesday, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.